Are you up for some Halloween magic? Let's see these looks. The first look is a reindeer makeup look recreation. But let me warn you, it is not just any reindeer appearance. This one has many vibrant colors and is so unique. It is going to be the cutest reindeer you have seen recently. Tiffany does a wonderful job in all of her looks. Not one detail will be missing. How amazing is this? A look which goes beyond every boundary. Just perfect for those who want to stand out and go a little extra in this Halloween season. Let's continue with the second look, shall we? This one is for the unicorn lovers. This look is special because it comes in rainbow colors. Those blending skills are to be admired. What's a unicorn look without a pop of glitter, honestly? All details are perfectly coming together. Wow, I am honestly amazed. Her looks are so much fun to watch, especially when they come in such great results. Hop on, the third look is in the way. Get some sweetness from this candy cane makeup look. Adding a touch of sparkle for a better effect. It's time to do the face makeup. This look wouldn't be completed without a skull. The details are just as perfect in this one too. Only the wig missing and we're good to go. So, which one is your favorite? I bet it's too difficult to choose.